Good morning, everyone. I am Remy and I will defend my research. My title is The Impact of Gender Equality on Grade Students at Dato Pangulima Integrated School. Background of the study. Gender equality in education is fundamental human right and a crucial factor in promoting social justice and individual empowerment. This study focus the impact of gender equality on graded students at Dato Pangulima Integrated School. It aims to explore how gender equality initiatives, policies, and practices influence student academic performance, self-esteem, and overall well-being. Education is a key human right and is essential for social justice and empowerment. This study examines how gender equality affects engagement at Dato Pangulima Integrated School. The problem. What are the perceived levels of gender equality in the classroom environment and school culture for graded students? To access the current state of gender equality within the grading cohort at Dato Pangulima Integrated School. How does gender equality impact student academic performance, particularly in subjects perceived as traditionally gendered? To analyze relationships between gender equality and academic performance, particularly in subjects perceived as gendered. What are the effects of gender equality on student self-confidence, leadership skills, and overall well-being? To evaluate the impact of gender equality on student self-esteem, leadership skills, and overall well-being. Significance of the study. This study will provide valuable insight for educators, schools, administration, and policymakers on the importance of promoting gender equality in schools. It will contribute to understanding the positive impact of gender equality on students' academic success, personal development, and overall well-being. This study provides valuable insight for educators, administrators, and policymakers on the importance of promoting gender equality in schools. Scope and limitation. The study will focus on graded students at Dato Pangulima Integrated School. It will utilize qualitative and quantitative data collection methods, including surveys, interviews, and classroom observation. Limitation may include the availability of participants and the potential for social disability, bias, and response. This study focuses on graded students at Dato Pangulima Integrated School using and quantitative methods like surveys and interviews. Chapter 2. Review of related literature. Gender equality in education. Definition and importance of gender equality in education. International frameworks and policies promoting gender equality in education. Existing research on the impact of gender equality on student outcomes. Gender stereotypes and bias in education. The role of gender stereotypes and biases in shaping educational experience. How gender stereotypes can influence subject choices, academic performance, and career aspirations. Strategies for addressing gender stereotypes and promoting inclusive learning environments. Gender equality and student well-being. The relationship between gender equality and student self-esteem, confidence, and mental health. How gender equality can foster leadership skills, critical thinking, and social emotional development. The impact of gender equality on student overall well-being and future policies. Data collection. Quantitative data. Surveys will be administered to graded students to assess their perception of gender equality, academic performance, and well-being. Qualitative data. Semi-structured interviews will be conducted with a sample of graded students to gather depth insight into their experience and their gender equality in the school environment. Observational data. Classroom observational will conduct to assess presence of gender bias and the implementation of gender inclusive practices. Data analysis. Quantitative data. Statistical analysis will be used to identify trends and correlation between gender equality, academic performance, and student well-being. Qualitative data. Thematic analysis will be conducted to identify key themes and patterns emerging from student interviews. Observational data. Field notes will be analyzed to identify observable patterns and practices related to gender equality and justice. Chapter 3, Research Methodology. Research Design. This study will employ a mixed methods approach combining quantitative and qualitative data collection. Quantitative data. Surveys will be administered to grade 10 students to assess the perception of gender equality, academic performance, and learning. Qualitative data. Semi-structured interviews will be conduct a sample of grade 10 students to gather in-depth insight into their experience with the gender equality in the school environment. Observational data. Classroom observation will be conducted to assess the presence of gender bias and the implementation of gender inclusive practices. Data analysis. Quantitative data. Statistical analysis will be used to identify trends and correlation between gender equality. Academic performance of student well-being. Analysis will be conducted to identify hidden and patterns emerging from student interviews. Field notes will be analyzed to identify observable patterns and practices related to gender equality and justice. Ethical consideration. Informed consent will be obtained from all participants before data collection. Confidentiality and anonymity will be maintained for all participants. The research will be conducted in accordance with ethical guidelines for research involving human subjects. Chapter 4. Result and discussion. Quantitative findings. Analyze for observed data to present findings on student perception of gender equality, academic performance, and well-being. Statistical analysis to identify significant correlation between gender equality and student outcomes. Qualitative findings. Presentation of the figures and patterns emerging from student reviews. Exploration of student perspective on gender equality in the school environment. Discussion. Interpretation of findings in light of existing literature on gender equality and education. Discussion of the implication of findings for educators, school administrators, and policymakers. Chapter 5. Conclusion and recommendations. Conclusion. Summarize the key findings of the study regarding the impact of gender equality on grading students and data family migration. Highlight the significance of findings for promoting gender equality in education. Recommendation. Provide specific recommendations for educators, school administrators, and policymakers to enhance gender equality in the school environment. Suggest strategies for addressing identified challenges and promoting a more inclusive and equitable learning experience for all the students. Future research areas. Propose areas for further investigation, such as longitudinal studies to track the long-term impact of the gender equality initiative. Suggest exploring the impact of gender equality on specific subject areas for students. That's all today.
Okay.